Hello everyone, Wrench It Up Plumbing, and my name is Matt. We're here again with another plumbing tip. Today we're focusing on the shower spout. One of the most common pieces which people have problem with it all the time, and they are trying to replace it themselves. Few tips so to make this job easy and safe to do it yourself. Our focus would be trying to help you out to save money and show you how to do things safely. Focusing on the shower spout replacements, there are certain tools that we need. Also, don't forget about the safety, gloves always. So the first thing that we need, it's an Allen key. This is the right size of the Allen key to remove the set screw from this shower spout. Yes, obviously you cannot see the set screw just because it's placed right under. So what could be the common issue with a shower spout? A lot of time when people are trying to pull up the diverter, either the diverter is stuck or when the water is diverting to the shower head, this thing is still dripping or running, which ended up having a low water pressure into the shower head. Or simply they will not be able to move the lever, which is the diverter. If that is the case, then you may decide to change the shower spout. So very simple, easy. You do have to have one of the Allen keys, which would be fit for this work. Next things, you have to bend your back and look underneath. This is where the set screw is set. Closer to the wall, right underneath. Once you place your Allen key in, so you have to give it a push and trying to unscrew this. If it's not happening, then you can always use the tools or using the shortest side. You gotta set the screw loose. So you loose it enough. And you're gonna pull the shower spout out. Now I'm going to explain why it's so important to loosen this set screw. There's a copper pipe behind this, which is source of the water. And the only things that holding this shower spout into the copper pipe is that set screw. If you don't loosen this shower spout set screw enough, you are going to end up scratching and damaging the copper pipe, which in that case you will not be able to replace this with a newer one. Then you do have to need to call a plumber to change that piece of pipe. But if you do follow up these steps and loosen the set screw, you'll be able to safely remove this. Once you remove this, you may need the replacement part, which you can buy it from any plumbing supplier. Having your replacement part, before you place it in, you are going to observe and watch into the copper line to make sure there is no damage happening already. If that is not the case, clean up the pipe. If you can use some lubricant to smooth this transition better, which I do have a lubricant over here, I am going to use this lubricant and pour some onto the pipe and some inside this spout. Now gently push the spout in. Once the spout reaches to the wall, so all you have to do, use the Allen key again and tight the set screw. So for that you may need to bend your back again, go underneath, find a screw, and go clockwise. Make sure that your shower spout is nice and straight. Give it the last push and job is done. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully the tips was useful for you. If that is the case, don't forget, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell us if you need us to pay attention into the specific matter. Should you need a plumber, don't forget, Wrench It Up Plumbing, 416-800-5050. Have a good day.